Do you want to add a story on Messenger? You can put story on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a story on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are on Messenger, tap on the Chats tab if you're not already there. At the top of the chat list screen, tap on the plus icon inside the Your Story section. A new screen will appear with different options and your device's gallery pictures and videos. Now, choose whether to capture a new photo or video using the camera or select one from your gallery. You can also add text only by selecting the text option. Now you are on the story editing screen. From here, you can add text, stickers, or music to personalize your story. Once you're done editing, tap the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen. Your photo or video will now be posted as a Messenger story, and your friends will be able to view it from their chat list or story section.